guys, so today I'm going to talk about you get what you look for in life. So I've got my little cat here, Gatsby. He's being very sociable now. He was really nervous when I first got him, but he keeps jumping on my lap, so that's a good sign. He's purring and he's happy. So there's a little quick update about Gatsby. Anyway, basically in my last video, the Miami vlog where I was a bit poorly, I went to Inwood, and in the room was loads of paintings, and in the video you can see there's two behind me in fact, of a painting that says gratitude on it. And all I could see was this painting that's gratitude. Like, I was like, seeing gratitude everywhere. And I don't think you could hear what I was saying in the vlog very well, so I thought I'd reiterate it right now. So basically, I was seeing this painting that said gratitude, and I was like, there's like 5 of this. However, if I'd have gone into that room with a different mindset, I probably wouldn't have even noticed that, honestly, guys. I'd just been to a Tony Robbins event, which I still need to do a video about actually, and I will do that soon. And I really thought gratitude was really important after being at Tony Robbins. It was quite high up on my values, and it's something that I am now going to do every day. I'm going to think of the things I'm grateful for. So when I went into this room at Winwood where there was loads of art and loads of different words written on the wall, loads of different things, all I was seeing was gratitude. And I was like, this is amazing. This is like a sign, because I've not even seen a painting like this before. And just see these paintings with gratitude written all over them, I was just like, how amazing. Also, 2 people from Tony Robbins were there who I hadn't met, but they had the wristband on, and they came and said hi to me, and I was like, this is funny. Anyway, going off on a tangent there. But basically it really showed me, and it kind of put what I'd learnt to use, because it really showed me that you do get what you look for in life. So if I was in a bad mood and I was thinking everything was bad and life is not great, blah blah blah, I'm gonna get more crap happen to me. Now I'll tell you why. Going in that room and all I could see was gratitude made my heart get filled with joy. And so it made me realise that if I live in a positive state as much as possible, I will have more positive things happen to me. Now I know we all know that, but honestly it's so true. And so if I'm gonna go around about my, if I'm gonna live my life with a positive attitude, more positive things will happen, because I will be an example, and I will show people that life is great no matter what, and life is beautiful, which it is. So if I live in this nice state, then obviously more good things are going to happen, because people are going to be more pleasant to me because I'm a pleasant person. I'm going to be a good person to be around. It all just makes sense. It's just simple. Now if I go around miserable, standoffish, body like this, I'm gonna attract bad things happening, and I'm gonna notice those bad things happening. I'm still gonna get problems with a positive attitude, but I'm gonna deal with them in a positive way. And I have a choice. I know now when something negative is happening, step back and think about it a little bit. I'm human, so obviously I'm gonna have those times where I'm gonna be like just pissed off, and you know, whatever, that's fine. I'm not gonna be a completely like all the time just because I've been to one event, but I do honestly feel that this has opened my eyes a lot, and I'm thinking all the time now what I'm grateful for. Every evening I'm thinking, what am I grateful for today? And I think it really does help. So if you are looking for, not if you're looking for bad energy, because no one's looking for bad energy, but if you're going around with a bad mark, like if you're thinking, oh, I can't do this, I'm rubbish, I'm crap, you're gonna do crap at stuff, you know? That sounds really basic how I've said that, but it's true. And if you're thinking, oh, why me? Why is it always me? You're gonna notice those bad things happening so much more than if you're going around being optimistic. And it doesn't mean you're a dreamer or like just someone who's like aware of the fairies or just not living in reality. It's making the best of your reality. You don't have to be negative to be a realist, you know? You have just got to live your life the way you want. But honestly, I just think you see what you get, and the more positive thoughts you put out, the more positive thoughts, and the Gatsby, he's like laying on, he's gonna fall off the chair. Oh. So the more positive thoughts you put out to the world, the more positive things will happen back to you. because it's just how it works. But I just felt like I'd share that with you today, guys, because I sort of said it in that video, the vlog, but because it was noisy, you couldn't really hear me, and I've had people say, oh, I couldn't really hear you very well. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions or any other topics like this you'd like me to talk about, please do let me know. And like I said, I will do a video about Tony Robbins soon. It was just a lot. So I'm having to kind of write down some notes and think of everything we did, because it was such a long time and every day sort of merged into one. So I'm just thinking about that a little bit, and it will come soon. But yeah, anyway, I hope you're all having a great day. Gatsby has literally fell asleep on my lap and his head is hanging off my wheelchair. His head is on my hand, so I feel like, you are so funny. He's gonna be massive. He's filling my lap already, because I mean, he's fallen off my chair. But I hope you're all having a great day. I'm so grateful that you guys are here watching this video, and I wish you all the best, and I will speak to you soon.